In this video, I'll be giving you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can use PAYSEND to send money worldwide. With PAYSEND, you can transfer money directly to the recipient's bank account within 15 minutes. You'll be sending the money directly to their Visa, debit or MasterCard. So with that said, let's get right into this video. So to get started guys, you can click the link in the description of this video. It will take you to PAYSEND website, or you can just go to the Play Store or App Store and download the app, right? So PAYSEND allow you to send money to over 170 countries around the world for only $3 Canadian. This is the cheapest on the market, right? So once you're there, you're just gonna select sign up and provide your mobile number, right? I already have an account, so I'm gonna step back and log in. Once you specify your phone number, continue. So here I just need to provide my verification code. Once you're in, you can just select send money. There are two options of how you can send money. You can send to a bank card or through Swift and wire transfer. I recommend going with the card option. So select the bank card. This is the fastest option. So you're going to complete the card information, the person's last and first name, select a purpose for the transfer, and select the relationship to the recipient, and then select continue. Here specify the amount of money that you want to send. I'm just going to say $10. It shows how much the recipient will get, and it shows how long the money will take to arrive. So I'm just going to select continue here. My card is already in file, right? So in your case, you can add the card or do an interact e-transfer, whichever works for you. So here I'm going to select my existing card. Here I'll select my card and then provide my CVV number. However, I do not want to send any money at this point in time. I just wanted to show you how you could achieve this. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.